Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Sean from CheckYourDubs.com. You come to Sim Pete, and today I have my unboxing for you guys of the Nest Learning Thermostat. Basically, this is like a standard thermostat, but it's supposed to learn your behavior after a while, so that way it's supposed to save you electricity on your bill monthly by using less of your heat. The nice thing about the Nest thermostat compared to the other ones is that, like I said, it's supposed to learn, due to the name learning thermostat, it's supposed to learn your behaviors, your habits over 2 weeks and then start adjusting it automatically to when you're at your house, when you're not there, how you like it, so that way it can be as eco-friendly as possible. And when you're in your eco mode, you'll get this little leaf down low that'll tell you that you're being at an eco-friendly setting, so that way it'll be good for the environment, also good for your energy bill. Some states actually do have rebates to decrease the price of this. I would say just check with your electric company. But I mean, it's retails for $250. There's some Black Friday sales where you can get it for as low as $199. And then, like I said, if you get rebates from your electric company, you might even get it for less than that after the rebates. So I set up my smoke alarm, my Nest Protect smoke alarm earlier, and now I'm going to get to the thermostat. It's also Wi-Fi and programmable, so that way you'll be able to, check it when you're not at your house. The main difference between this third generation and the second generation is the fact that this one has a bit of a bigger display, and I believe it's a little bit more higher resolution, as well as it has a feature that's akin to a proximity sensor, so when you walk by it, it'll light up and tell you what's going on. So as you guys can see, I got it in black. It comes in black, stainless steel, and I think there's one other color that's on Nest's website exclusively. On the top, kind of shows you the app. So I have my, like I said, I have my Nest Protect already. So this is showing the thermostat being added on to it. Nothing too important on the box. Just basically telling you that it's going to save energy, saves between 10 and 12% on average. And then 15% on heating, and then 15% on cooling. So that means in about 2 years, it should repay that $250 price that you paid for it. And then on the back, it just tells you a little bit more about it. It's supposed to be pretty easy to install. I'm going to try it myself. The auto schedule feature is the main thing that I'm getting this for. So like I said, it's supposed to automatically learn how you go throughout your house, because I find myself some days having to work or school, or some days we might have someone here that is normally at work or whatever, so it's pretty uncomfortable that we're in a hot house because we have it programmed for certain hours throughout the day, Monday through Sunday, that we're not going to be here, which most of the time, it works fine, but sometimes, we're here and it's just like, well, I don't want, it to be cold or excuse me, cold or hot, when I am here. I want it to be at a comfortable temperature. So this is supposed to be able to, realize that I'm here and adjust itself accordingly, to my schedule that varies. Also, there's a competitor. It's called the Akobe 3, and basically the nice thing about that one is it's similar to the Nest, but it has room sensors, so you can put motion sensors in different rooms. So that way, let's say you're mainly in your bedroom, let's say 3 bedrooms, and then the living room, you can put a motion sensor in each room, so that way it's not indicative of you actually being near the thermostat. So anyways, that's the competition, but we'll definitely check out this Nest. Like I said, I got it in the black color instead of the stainless steel, and let's get to the unboxing. So we're going to go around the back, and it should be a pretty easy pull tab. The last one was a little bit difficult, so I'll try and get at this one. There we go. Put that off. And they have really nice packaging on these Nest products. It's something that I like about them. And then also they have a tool on their website to basically tell you if your existing system is going to be compatible. So if you have a 120 volt or 240 volt system, it's pretty much not going to be compatible. However, if you have other systems, which is supposed to be able to work with most normal house cooling units, then you should be good. However, I would just say go on their website. It just has a quick, matchup of the cables that you have, and then it'll let you know if you're compatible or not. So here it is, nice little black cylinder. Also, the screen tilts or turns so that way you can scroll through the menu. So I'll put that off to the side. Drill into this. So more than likely some manuals here, and then we have a screw that Nest provided. This should help me get off the existing screws in my Wi-Fi thermostat that I currently have installed. And then you also have this little tool piece here that you're going to actually install the Nest onto. This is how you connect your cables. They're kind of like you just put the connectors in the certain positions, and then it'll connect and it'll power through the back of the Nest. And then it also has a little built-in level there at the top, so that way you can make sure that you're, at the right position. And then these are your connectors down here to give the Nest power and data and stuff like that. The install is supposed to be pretty easy. Actually, the screws when I installed my Nest Protect were really great because they, I guess, are specialty screws that will install into your current drywall or whatever material you have on your house. So basically, you don't have to worry about having a screwdriver or anything like that, and it worked really great for my Nest Protect. So I would assume nothing but the same from this Nest thermostat. So behind that, you have your wall plate. So if you want, you can install a wall plate. I'm pretty sure it's just a normal plastic wall plate, so I'm pretty sure you can paint over it. This is more if you have big holes that you're trying to cover up. I'll see how it looks with or without it, and then I'll figure out from there. And like I said, you should be able to like spray paint it to match your wall color, so that shouldn't be an issue in terms of blending it in. And then lastly, you have this metal plate, which is good if you have an existing electrical box there for your, if you have an existing electrical box for your wall plate, for your thermostat. So that way you can put that in place of it. And it'll cover up, and then you can put the plate on top even if you'd like to, on top of this metal plate. So, like I said, the installation is supposed to be pretty easy. I talked to one of my friends. He said it took him about 10 or 15 minutes. The main thing is that you want to take a picture of your existing setup, so that way you can make sure that you're doing it right. So, I already turned off my power to my thermostat, so hopefully I can get this all up and running, and I'll do a follow-up video and let you guys know how it works out. So anyways, guys, it's me, Sean from TechTradeWebs.com. You can call me Sam Pete, and this is my unboxing for you guys of the Nest Learning Thermostat. If you guys have any questions or comments, or want to have any feedback about that Nest Protect, just leave it in the comments, and I'll definitely do my best to get back to you guys. Anyways, guys, if you guys really like this video, I appreciate the subscription, and like I said, anything, just leave it in the comments, and I'll try to do my best. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a later video. Goodbye.